The adjective
Stonato,
comes from the verb
stonare.
which means to sing, play out of tune.
Stonato,
The feminine equivalent is
stonata,
and their respective plurals are
stonati, stonate.
Stonato can be used to describe a naturally tone-deaf person, a professional singer whose voice is off-key or flat for some reason, or a musical instrument in need of tuning. There's also the funny expression,
Essere stonato come una campana.
which literally translates as to be tone-deaf like a bell.
Quel cantante è stonato come una campana. Come ha fatto ad avere così tanto successo?
That singer is completely tone-deaf. How did he get to be so successful?
La mia chitarra è un po' stonata. Me la puoi accordare, per favore?
My guitar is a little bit out of tune. Can you tune it for me, please? In a figurative sense, stonato can refer to any element, such as a color, item of clothing, or piece of furniture, for example, that isn't in harmony with its surrounding context. Some possible translations in English include clashing, mismatched, or jarring. When used to talk about a person's state of mind, it can mean out of sorts, bewildered, or confused.
Oggi mi sento proprio stonato. Ricordami di non viaggiare mai più in aereo per 20 ore di fila.
I feel so out of it today. Remind me to never travel 20 hours by plane ever again.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.